base font tag because it's in the test, right? So base font tag is similar to the font tag, except the difference is the font tag works logically to the block, means local to the block. It is local. Whereas base font, this is global. Global means पूरे के पूरे web page पे चलेगा. And base font is an empty tag. 3 attributes of base font are color, face, and size. The same way we used to give attributes inside the font tag, color, face, and size. The same way the base font tag is having 3 attributes, that is color, face, and size. Difference सिर्फ यही है, जहां पे भी आप font tag लगाते हैं inside some block, opening of font tag and closing of font tag, in between बीच में जितने भी आपके contents आ रहे हैं, that means सिर्फ उसी पे आपकी font tag की properties apply होंगी. But whereas base font जैसे आपने starting में लगा दिया, that is global to the web page, वो पूरे के पूरे web page पे चलेगा. Clear? So now let's do it practically. Notepad is visible. Okay. Now, yesterday we were discussing tables. So we are going to continue with the same topic. So after title, close head tag, and then body. Just leave that we will do later on. This is not the part of test. Body BG color. Now a simple table I am going to make. जितना भी कल हमने किया था, yesterday we did practically. So same thing I am going to implement today with the practical portion. So table, align equal to center. So this way the alignment of the table can be there, right? Table align equal to center. Then we did border attribute inside the table tag. Border of the table I'm taking it as 4 and border color equal to red. After that, the caption tag, student info, caption tag, close. Next is TR. So first row, TR align equal to center. Under the TR tag, I want to make 3 cells with the header cells. So TH, roll number, TH close. Next, second cell, that is student name. Third cell, but it is the header cell. Then class and section. After that, close the TR tag. Now this makes the first row. And here you can write so let it be, this is the heading. So I'm putting inside the H1, align equal to center, then H1 close. After that, I'm giving the HR tag with the size 4 and color as white. So any doubt till now, 21? So firstly, I have put the heading with the help of heading tag, that is H1. After that, the HR is there for making the horizontal rule. And then the table is started where I have given the caption as student info. And I'm going to apply here a base font tag also, so that the content of the table should be of color pink. This is globally. Means इसके बाद जितना भी आपको कंटेंट दिखेगा, that is all in the pink color. Now the second row of the table. Second row में I need to put the content, so that's why TD, a normal data cells using the TD tag. And then TD tag close. After that, a row will be closed, second row. This completes the second row now. Now the same, that is the third row. So roll number 2, 10th B, Aman. Now next row again, the same way. Let it be, this is also the roll number 1. Vishesh, what you are trying to say? Name की जगह पे student name लिख दिया है. Where this is the student name, तो student का name ही देंगे second row में, because this is the header row, this is the normal row. This is the normal content I'm making using the TD tag. And in the first row, I have made the header cells using the TH tag. Okay. Any doubt? यहाँ तक किसी को कोई doubt हो coding में? In any of the tag? And then at last, you need to close body tag. And then finally, HTML tag. So once again, look at the coding. Yes, base font को हम empty treat करते हैं, but कई books में आपको closing भी दिया होगा, लेकिन we will treat it as a empty tag. So firstly, I have set the background color for the body, that is green. Then I have added the heading, which is centered aligned, and the content is there. Then HR is there of color white, and then base font tag, which will set the color of the text of the entire web page as pink color. Then next is table. The alignment of the table is center. The content is also center. Table align equal to center means the table will be in the center of the web page with the border 4 and the border color is red. Then the caption I have given. Then the first row is having the header cells, roll number, student name, class and section, and whose alignment I have already set as the center in the TR tag. Then for the next rows, you can see again the content alignment is center and the content is there. So that's why the normal cells are there. That is with the help of TD tags. Now let it be. हम इसको सेव करते हैं. Table.html. Browser window is visible, बच्चे? Let me know. Browser window is visible to you people or not? No reply. Okay. Now see, this thing we have made in the coding. HR दिया था मैंने. So this is the heading. So this is the table. Clear? This thing is clear. Any doubt till now? How we have created a table? Now the next thing is in the coding. Next thing I'm making inside the table tag border color light. The attribute I'm using is border color light. So border color light is the attribute which is used inside the table tag that will just make the border color for left and top border only. Only top and left border color is to be set, not right and bottom border. तो इसका output, save it, then look at the browser window. So only left and top border color. Clear? Use this in Chrome. कई browsers पे आपको output properly clear नहीं दिखेगा. So we have two attributes, that is border color dark and border color light. Border color dark and border color light. Border color dark will set the color of the border from right and bottom margin, and left will mark towards the top and left border. Clear? Now next attributes are cell padding without any space you have to give. So there are two attributes, that is cell padding and cell spacing. What this cell spacing will do, a spacing between the cells. जैसे आपके अभी right now 3 cells are there in the table, 3 columns है ना, 3 cells and 3 हमने header rows header cells बनाए हैं with the help of TD and TH tag. अगर आप cells के बीच में कोई spacing देना चाहते हैं, any space that is to be set between the cells of the table, it will be set with the help of cell spacing. And the spacing that you want to set between the border of the cell and the content of cell, that is cell padding. Cell padding से क्या होगा, जो space आप दे रहे हो cell और cell के content के बीच में, cell के border के बीच में और cell के content के बीच में, that is cell padding. और cells के बीच में जो space दोगे, that is cell spacing. So I'm setting the cell padding as 5 and then cell spacing, again I'm taking it as 8. So look at the attributes carefully. Once again I'm telling, cell padding and cell spacing, two attributes are there for the table tag which are related to the spacing of the cells. Now cell spacing will give spacing between the cells. Number of columns के बीच में जो spaces आएंगी वो cells हैं हमारे, cells के बीच में जो space आएगी that we are getting from cell spacing. And cell padding means the spacing between the cell content and cell border. You can note it down. Once again I'm repeating, cell padding is the space between the cells of a table. Cell spacing is the spacing between the cells of a table. Cell padding is the spacing between the cell content and cell border. Between the cell content and cell border. Clear? Amritpal, now is it clear? Yes. Then you can set height and width of table. Height and width of table. This is in pixel format I'm giving. So width, let it be 500 and height I'm specifying it as 300. So I'm saving it. Let's see the output now. So see, स्पेसिस जो बीच में आ रही हैं वो आपकी सेल स्पेसिंग से आ रही हैं, और कंटेंट और बॉर्डर के बीच में जो स्पेस आ रही है दैट इज फ्रॉम द सेल पैडिंग. एनी डाउट? Cell spacing, cell padding is clear, and then I have set the height and width. Clear? Okay. Now the next two attributes of the table tag are, first one, that is frame attribute. Now write down. Border is not coming red. कौन सा border लगाया था शिवांश आपने? Cell padding और बीच में space नहीं आएगी. Look carefully. Cell padding और cell spacing. You can look the output again. मैं यहाँ पे cell padding और cell spacing थोड़ी सी कम थी, तो मैं यहाँ पे cell spacing आपको increase करके दिखा देती हूँ. So I'm setting it as 12 now. So again, look at the output. So see, space has been increased. This is cell spacing. Now the next is next attribute, write down frame. Write down the next attribute, frame. Frame attribute is used to set the outer borders of the table. अगर आपने भी नोटिस किया होगा, टेबल के अंदर पहले एक आउटर बॉर्डर बन रहा है और उसके अंदर जो सेल्स हैं, सेल्स के अलग बॉर्डर बन रहे हैं. So there are two borders coming for the table, outside border and inner border. When you want to set the outside border value can be set with the help of frame attribute. Now write down the values from the for the frame attribute. Number one, above, frame equal to above. So these are the values. तो मैं यहाँ पे लिख रही हूँ before the table tag. Frame is having the values above. Note it down. Below, border, H sides, V sides, box, LHS, RHS, void. Void means empty, nothing will be there. Clear? Above, below, border, H sides, then V sides, box, LHS, RHS, and void. These are the values of the frame attribute, and frame attribute belongs to table tag. Frame attribute is used to set outside border of the table. Frame attribute is used to set outside border of the table. Clear? Outside border की values अब देखो. First one is above, means only top border will appear. If you will set frame equal to above, only the top border will appear. And if you will set frame equal to below, so only bottom border will appear. Top, left or right borders नहीं आएंगे table के. Outside borders will not appear. If you will set border equal to border, that is similar. Border equal to 4, या फिर आप border लगा रहे हो केला, तो उसका मतलब है चारों sides का border appear हो रहा है. Next is H sides. H sides means horizontal sides. Top border and bottom border. Both borders will appear, but जो vertical borders हैं आपके left और right side के borders नहीं आएंगे फिर. H sides horizontal, V sides means vertical. Left और right border आएगा, top and bottom border will not appear. Box means full box. Border और box का output बिल्कुल same है, means all the 4 borders will come. LHS, that is left hand side, only left border will appear, rest of the three borders will not come. RHS, only the right border will appear, rest of the three borders will not come. Void means empty, nothing will appear, outside borders ही नहीं आएंगे, सिर्फ inner borders ही रहेंगे आपके. Clear? So let's do it practically now. So frame equal to LHS means left hand side, सिर्फ left वाले borders आएंगे. So see, left border is coming, top, bottom and right border is not appearing in the output now. Clear? LHS value is clear. Frame is related with the outside borders. Now the next is, what if I will set RHS? It means only right borders will appear. And now left borders will not appear. So now only right side border is appearing, top, bottom and left side border will not appear. And if you will take the value H sides, it means only horizontal borders will appear, that is top and bottom border. So see, only top and bottom borders are appearing, but left and right borders are not coming. Okay? This thing is clear. Similarly, अगर आप LHS लगा रहे हो तो left hand side, RH से right hand side, void से कोई border नहीं आएगा. H sides, horizontal border you are already viewing on the screen. And if you will take V sides means only vertical borders, that is left and right border will appear. So just a minute. V sides, so it will show vertical sides now. And always remember the border, this frame attribute will always work with the border attribute. अगर आपने border attribute नहीं लगाया होगा तो frame attribute will not work. Frame attribute work ही नहीं करेगा क्योंकि frame attribute किसको control कर रहा है? Border को control कर रहा है. The value of the borders, कि आप कौन सा border दे रहे हैं. लेकिन अगर आपने border ही नहीं set किया होगा तो it will not work. Clear? And if the frame value is void, means no border will appear now. So do it practically also. सारी values आप run करके देखना. So see, I haven't set. Work नहीं हो रहा आपके बच्चे, coding में कोई ना कोई problem होगी. Check it carefully. H sides means horizontal. Horizontal क्या होता है? Top bot, ये table है. Let it be, this is my table. ठीक है, अगर मैं H side set कर रही हूँ मतलब horizontal sides क्या है? Top है और एक bottom है. अगर मैं V side set कर रही हूँ तो vertical borders, that means left side and right side border. LHS only left side, RHS only right side. Clear? ऐसे ही आप फ्रेम इक्वल टू बॉर्डर लगाओगे तो चारों बॉर्डर्स आएंगे. फ्रेम इक्वल टू बॉक्स लगाओगे तो भी चारों बॉर्डर्स आएंगे. सो यू हैव टू सेट इट अकॉर्डिंगली. सो फ्रेम इक्वल टू बॉक्स, तो इस पे कोई इफेक्ट नहीं आएगा. जैसे आपका नॉर्मल बॉर्डर एट्रीब्यूट वर्क कर रहा था, द सेम इट विल वर्क. नाउ बॉक्स लगाया मींस बॉक्स विल कम, पूरा का पूरा बॉर्डर आएगा चारों साइड्स का. Clear? The frame attribute is clear. Now similarly to the frame attribute, we are having one more attribute, that is rules. जैसे यहाँ पे हमने frame attribute बनाया है. Similarly, we are having rules attribute. So frame attribute works with the outside borders of the table, and this rules attribute work with the inner borders. Write down the values now. It is used to set इनर बॉर्डर्स ऑफ द टेबल, मतलब जो सेल के बॉर्डर्स आ रहे थे, एक तो आ रहा था आउटसाइड बॉर्डर और उसके अंदर छोटे छोटे सेल्स आ रहे थे. सेल का जो बॉर्डर है वो आप कहां से सेट करोगे? यूजिंग द रूल्स एट्रीब्यूट. नाउ राइट डाउन द वैल्यूज फॉर द रूल्स एट्रीब्यूट. दैट इज नंबर 1, all means all inner borders will appear. After all, the value is groups. Groups means again a group will be formed. Small groups will be formed. That means all borders will appear. Next is calls. Only vertical will appear. Vertical lines will appear. And if you will specify the value rows, only horizontal lines will appear there. Rows, alls, groups, calls, and the last one is none. Means no inner borders will appear. Only the outside borders will be there. The attribute is, yes, D will make the things bold. अभी तो मैंने save ही नहीं किया. This is the text, and whatever text I'm specifying inside the body tag, that will be displayed on the web page. This is nothing to be related with the table. Practical में उसके attribute लगाएंगे. ये मैं आपको description बता रही हूँ rules की. Clear? So 5 values are there for the rules attribute: alls, groups, calls, rows, and none. अभी यहाँ पे मैं लगा रही हूँ rules, and the value of rules you can see if I'm specifying none. Now look at the output. Only the outer border will appear, inner borders will not appear now. So rules are clear. Next thing, now if the value of the rules is false, means vertical lines will appear now. See, horizontal inner borders are not appearing, only the vertical lines are appearing. The same way you can set rows also. And then refresh in the browser. Now horizontal inner borders are coming, but columns are not coming. And if you want everything to be appeared, all the inner borders should also appear. So for that we have to set the values rules equal to groups or rules equal to all. दोनों में output same ही आएगा. Yes, these attributes are of table tag. Rules and frame, and rules and frames are further having so many values. जैसे हम align की values पढ़ते हैं ना, left, right, and center. The same way, rules is having and frame is having so many values that you have to learn. So that's why I'm saying you to practice all the values again, practically. So now any doubt in the topic, if you want to note down the coding, you can. Any doubt in the frame, attribute, rules, attribute, values of frames and rules, cell padding, cell spacing, align, border, height and width. So some of the attributes, अच्छा आपके पास एक और attribute है table में, you can set BG color also for the table. हमने table web page के ऊपर color लगाया हुआ है green color, but you can also apply a particular background color to the table also. Now in the output, table का background color हमने set किया है. So see. Clear? The same way we used to set body background color, the table background can also be set. Also, body पे हम picture भी लगाते हैं. The same way You can apply the picture on the table also as a background. जैसे हमने बॉडी में बैकग्राउंड लगाया था और इमेज कॉपी की है, the same way you can set here background instead of DG color. Color is used to set the color of the text globally. Yes, Shantanu? Ask your doubt, बच्चे. Yes, we will do call span and row span tomorrow. आज पहले टेबल के एट्रीब्यूट्स हो गए हैं, कल हम TR, TH और TD के एट्रीब्यूट्स डिस्कस करेंगे, and then finally we are moving on to the call span and row span. That is the last topic.